Bakit sinasabi nilang nagbago ka kapag pinili mo ang sarili mo? Hi guys, welcome back to a Real Talk Hustle for today. Let's talk about this. Kapag tumigil kang mag-explain, kapag tumigil kang mag-adjust, kapag tumigil kang magpakabait, bigla nilang sasabihin, nagbago ka. Pero ito ang totoo, hindi ka nagbago. Nag-stop ka lang mag-perform. You stopped being convenient. You stopped shrinking. You stopped betraying yourself to be loved. And that makes people uncomfortable. Why? Because your growth exposes where they chose comfort. So they call it arrogance, they call it selfishness, they call it iba ka na. But real talk, growth always looks rude to people who benefited from your silence. 3 practical moves gawin natin. 1. Huwag mong i-defend ang growth mo. People who need explanations are not aligned. Number 2, observe who celebrates your clarity and who misses your obedience. Number 3, choose respect over approval. Approval is rented. Respect is earned. Tandaan mo to, hindi ka naging malamig. Naging totoo ka lang. At ang totoo, real love doesn't fear change. It grows with you. Thank you for watching. I'm Catherine Yucor and you're watching Real Talk Hustle, where we turn pain into power.